আপনারা দেখছেন SR24x7 নিউজ।
Anything below 2 lakh can be done by UPI or 2 lakhs will be only through ASBA. We are TMAT for this issue is compulsory as the bonds will be credited in respective TMAT accounts. The purpose of the issue is growth, okay, for credit growth, further loan book expansion. Okay. My colleague Nilesh is from NBFC, I am from Capital. These are all bullet points about this NCD. My colleague Nilesh will throw light on where we will use this money and how NBFC is working, what is the total loan book, etc.
Okay. Good morning, everyone, and once again welcome all of you on behalf of management. Let's take you through. Let us watch our chairman lead. Please play the video.
IIFL Finance Limited. As you know, IIFL Finance is one of India's leading NBFCs with an impeccable track record for last 30 years. Our track record and investor trust is built on our fundamentals: a strong balance sheet, 14,000 crore plus net worth on a consolidated basis, high capital adequacy, and comfortable liquidity. We have a very strong management team with industry professionals with experience of 15 to 20 years at senior levels, having worked with large banks or MNCs or NBFCs, and a board of directors which again has illustrious people from finance industry, chaired by none other than a former deputy governor of RBI, Mr. Kanungo. Our underwriting standards and risk management practices have stood the test of time. Our non-performing assets are among the least in the industry, and we are also at the forefront of using cutting-edge technology and pioneering use of AI as well. During the last 15 years, we have done several debt issues, and all interest and principal payments have always been on time, every time, not even 1 hour's delay ever. These secured debentures are a very good instrument in the current times. They give you 9% yield per annum basis, and this is significantly higher than, say, bank fixed deposit or liquid mutual fund, and they are secured as well. In today's volatile times, when equities are at a very high valuation, rate environment is volatile, so you can lock in these fixed returns for 2 years, 3 years, or 5 years. I would suggest that part of your portfolio must be allocated to fixed income, and within fixed income, IIFL secured bonds will rate better than most other instruments. You also have a flexible tenor, 2 years, 3 years, or 5 years, and you can choose monthly income or annual interest or compounded over a period of time. We are really grateful to all of you for your strong support over the last 30 years, and we look forward to your continued support in this issue as well. Thank you.
Getting specific, but still I'll run through the PPT and take you through to make you understand why this bond customers can invest their money into it, and why this is, no risk involved in that. I can't say no risk, but then you can see the track record of IIFL and understand that one can put very confidently money into this instrument. With stable, AA stable, and we call this AA plus stable. Now, why we're raising this bond? We're raising this bond for lending purpose, to grow the business. Primarily, 75% of this is be used in lending business. 25% can be used for corporate requirements. Now, why the banks, something people can put their money confidently? Because we have the reach. We have around 4,700 branches and adding on, with 36,000 employees. Nook and corner, all tier 5, 6, 7 cities also we are having our branches. So that's the advantage that we can reach the people, and this credit gap, whatever credit gap we are having in our country, the lower children, people who are unable to get credit, will be able to finance that with the help of bank, because we are partnering and co-lending with bank as well. Now, if I have to tell you regarding our asset quality, now we are having around 98,000 plus asset under management. And out of this 98,000 plus asset management, your 99% is of retail loans. So that is the reason our business module is something which has mitigated the risk very well for this retail business. Out of this, 83% is secured loan. That's the plus point which has gone up. When I take you through, it has gone up to 89% now. So it was 83% retail, secured loan. NPA, as Nirmal sir was saying, it's around 1.6, which is last 4-5 years, if we compare, it has come down to 1.6. So that's a very asset quality which we are having. What else do I tell you? Okay. And your our capital education, which is 15% as per requirement of government, it is regulators. Ours is 18.87. So we are quite nicely, adequately, covered up. Our investors. If we talk about the investors also, debt investor, it's CDC Group. It's of UK. And your HDFC, MF, Tata AIG, they are also as a debt investor, as an investor. And equity, if you say Fairfax is there, small cap world fund is there, and Bank of Muscat India Fund is also one of the investors. Now, if I talk about IIFL Finance as an NBFC group, we are having two subsidiaries. One is IIFL Home Finance and one is Samasta Finance. Okay, Home Finance book is around 39,000 crore book size. Gold loan, IIFL gold loan part is around 49,000 and your Samasta is around 9,600. Now, as I was telling you, I thought it could have kept the PPT, that would be easy for them. Why are you not having the PPT? Few of the reason is that this product portfolio, जो भी अपना product portfolio है, it's a diversified customer base. Like home loan, you have a customer segment. Gold loan, you have customer segment. Microfinance, you have a different customer segment altogether in a group. Then we finance, against small, that's not a core business. Real estate people also, real estate business and capital, loan against equity. We are showing that in their book it is there. So that is the way also we have de-risked our portfolio. And if I talk about our surpluses, huge gap in the surpluses. Like if you have a requirement of around 3,000 crore fund, we have 6,500 crore fund available. So adequacy is strong. Digitization, Nirmal sir was talking about. This has helped immensely in our de-risking our gold loan business, because with AI coming in, you can really well charge your customers with their track, previous track or your lending, past lending history. With that, you can easily track their record and you can lend them. So that way also we have de-risked our business. And leadership, as Nirmal was saying, Nirmal sir and Venkat sir, both of them are veteran, 30 years they have done in this business. And many are from RBI, SBI, they have come to the board. And on financial performance, if I have to tell you, this year in 6 months, our PAT, profit before tax, after tax, is 6,922 CR. Our highest was in FY24, and we are pretty confident that this year will beat that. Interest spread is around 5.71. NPA I've already told, it has come down, and cost to income is around 46.45, which has also come down. So that's all in brief. If you have any question, you can put me. But before that, I'll hand over to Gaurav for the issue details.
And it will goes on 4th. Allotment will happen on 6th March, and listing will be happening on 9th. And this will be listed in both the exchange. And this is a 500 crore primary issue with the addition of 1,500 crore as a green issue option. Maximum we can earn is 9%. And as Nirmal ji sir said, this can be an excellent opportunity for retail and HNI customers to park their money for 2 years, 3 years, 5 years horizon with monthly, annual and cumulative interest. And this can be best if we compare this in bank FDs, liquid funds, and to the large extent the bond funds as well.